This 2024 Coachmen Nova 20C is a Class B RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 20 feet 11 inches in length and features a fog with high-gloss maple interior, sleeps 2, awning, spare tire kit, refrigerator, LP detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, microwave, TV, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Coachmen Nova 20C is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.